channel. My name is Holly and today I'm so excited to show you how to create these stunning giant wall roses using crepe paper. It's my unique design which I actually created for a photography studio for their Valentine's Day backdrop, and they turned out absolutely gorgeous. These roses are perfect for so many different decor setups, whether it's for weddings, events, home decor, or even a dreamy backdrop for photos. This is part of a template pack which you can get on my website at florishly.com, and in this video we will be creating the size of 1, but there are three sizes. I will be taking you through everything step by step, so just pause the video whenever you need to, and most importantly, just enjoy the process. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. And if you're ready and you've already got your template, let's get started. To create this giant wall rose, you will need a pair of scissors, a shaping tool. I'm going to be using this paintbrush, glue sticks, a glue gun, a ruler, a paper clamp, a foam shape like this, or alternatively you can create one using scraps of crepe paper, a piece of cardboard cut into a circle shape, your template, which you can find at florishly.com, 180 grams of crepe paper, and I'm using this gorgeous pink shade, but feel free to get creative with other colours. Start by folding your crepe paper and cutting a strip. Use your template as a guide and cut out the pieces you'll need for the petals. For the fairy tale wall roses, you will need 9 A petals, 8 B petals, and 8 C petals. Cut out all of the A, B, and C petals using your template. To keep everything neat, use a clamp to hold the template in place as you cut. Once you have cut all of the petals out, set aside 2 A petals for the next step. Except for the first 2 A petals that you've put aside, next it's time to shape the petals. Using your shaping tool, gently curl the tops of each petal backwards. Then use your thumbs to curve the petal inwards, giving it a natural flowing shape. Repeat this process for all of the A, B, and C petals. For this part, you will need B and C petals. Make sure to protect your surface. To do this, I am using a silicone mat. Flip each petal over and apply a thin line of glue about 1 centimeter from the bottom. Carefully pinch the base together and hold for a few seconds until the glue cools. Once the glue has set, flip the petal around to the front and stretch the center slightly, then fold the bottom part upwards to give the petal a soft, natural curve. Repeat this process for all B and C petals. As a quick tip to speed up the process, you can use a silicone spatula or a mat to press the petal base down. This helps to evenly distribute the glue and cools it faster, but this step is completely optional. For this next part, you will need your foam shape and your cardboard circle cutout, which is about 10 centimeters in diameter. Now take 2 of the A petals you set aside earlier. Using your thumbs, stretch the center slightly to create a soft inward curve. Take a scrap piece of crepe paper from your cuttings, stretch it and glue it to the top of your foam shape. Next, take the first A petal and shape it around the foam, securing it with glue. Then place a second A petal directly opposite the first one. Now begin adding the rest of the A petals, overlapping each one halfway over the previous petal to start building the rose shape. When adding the last A petal, only apply glue to one side and the lower part. This way, it stays loosely connected, helping it naturally blend with the larger petals. Now comes the best part, which is to put everything together. Start with the C petals, arrange them around the outermost edge of your cardboard circle, slightly overlapping each petal as you go. Next, take the B petals and glue them in front of the C petals, placing them between the gaps of the previous layer. This staggered placement helps to build the beautiful swirling rose pattern. Continue following this placement for all the petals, ensuring everything flows naturally. Finally, place your centerpiece, the A petals and the foam base in the middle of the rose and glue it securely, aligning it with a B petal for a seamless blend. And there you have it, your giant wool rose is complete. It's beautiful, stable, and it holds its shape perfectly. No floppy petals. In fact, you can even turn it upside down and see that everything stays firmly in place. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I absolutely love how these roses turned out, and I'm sure you're going to receive many compliments when you make them. Just let me know what event you're making them for. I would love to hear from you. In my next tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create these giant cherry blossom flowers. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. And thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!